Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to talk about your job or studies in English. Let's get started. Here are some useful phrases. I work as. I am a. I study. I am currently studying. I work in. These phrases can help you talk about your work or education confidently. Let's look at some examples. I work as a teacher. I work in the education industry. I am currently studying business administration. I enjoy learning new skills. These are natural ways to talk about your job or studies. Now it's your turn. What do you do? Do you work or study? Try answering these questions in English. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Every small step brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.